welcome back to Pirate101. I noticed behind us there were two more quests. Roberto Leon and Nicolas Amarillo.
Pirate, thank goodness you crossed my path. My crew's gone missing, and they're my only means to securing supplies. I'm famous for my low prices on trade goods, but with no one to gather them, I'm left a bit destitute. Could I hire you to collect some avocados from the Wangawoo village and a bit of water from the waterfall near here?
Yes.
Those lazy soldiers. They lounge around, smugly chewing on bananas and never ever offer to share with the peasant folk. I could take advantage of their silly obsession by collecting some bananas around here and setting up a banana stand. You interested in helping me out?
Maybe. Okay, I think we gathered up all the quests around here. The Skyway. Marlebonian ships. Let's defeat the rebel water moles first. Which look like they're all up here. In the gold mine. Wait, were there any quests? The quests in the gold mine? Scrimshaw, the gold mine, Skull Island, Skull Island. This is the gold mine too. Take rubbings of the statues. Collect the waterfall water. Ooh, let's do that first. Ooh, here's another quest. Tetu Poto.
The monkey lords brought us here to pull gold from the stones. We were happy to do it until we found the flooded tunnels. Haku and Mogatu spoke poison words and turned many against our masters. The traitors did a terrible thing. They took our families prisoner. My people will not fight back while the hostages are in danger. If you go into the tunnels and free the prisoners, we will break the traitors. I helped explore the tunnels. I will draw you a map. If the prisoners are locked away, Mogatu will hold the key.
Well, of course we're gonna rescue those people. Collect the waterfall water. Do we have to go down here? How do we get the waterfall water? Oh, here we go. Right here. It's a good place. And the avocados. Which are up here too. Sweet. What is that? Well, there's a banana bundle. We need those. There's nothing. Banana bundle. We got 2 banana bundles. I can't get out of this cave. I'm sort of stuck in it. There we go. Where are we going? We're going this way, it looks like. I see banana bundles. There we go. 4 of 8. Wow, look at me walk right across those rocks. What's that? Avocados! Avocados. Avocados. Oh, there's more avocados there. I'm gonna have to fight these guys. I think we have to fight them anyway, so let's just do it. Yeah, let's get him. You go after this guy.
Okay.
Sure, that works. Give us an extra boost. Yeah! Kego Hippa, Rebel Witch Doctor. Wow, they're kind of a little strong. It's okay, Sarah Steele's stronger. Not by much. Alright. Wow. That was sad. That was very sad. Multitasking quests. Mega hit. Double tap. Ow, rude. No! Rude. Get him, Ziggy. Good job. Alright, so let's take care of these guys. I'm gonna kill him. You finish him off.
Aye, aye, Captain.
You go up there and kill him. Well, I killed him. Sweet. Very nice. Rude! Get him, Ziggy. Okay. Murder. Murder. I guess you can go here. You go here. And you help me murder him. Yes. Jump! Yump! I gutted him. We got this.
You may be able to defeat us, but you will never be able to defeat Haku! While Haku stands, our revolt continues!
Oh, I got attacked again! That's stupid. Okay, well, I'm gonna still kill you.
Will do.
There we go. Still gonna murder your face. Have my rat ghosts. Do 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 do. Dun 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 dun. Bam. Ha! We killed one. Good job, ladies. Okay, so now what? Now what? That sucks. I'm gonna murder him. You murder him.
Okay.
You shoot him.
Oh, well.
You get him.
Easy peasy.
Yes, they did. They also did. Go fan. Venice. That was rude. That was rude. How dare you hit me when I'm trying to kill you?
Will do. All right. Will do.
So we've got this, like, right, he's dead, essentially. There we go. Yay! I just want the avocados. Okay, I've got all those avocados. Where's the bananas? No, there's something else. Banana bundles. Banana bundles. Where are the bananas? They respawn? They respawned. 5, 6. There's no bananas there. You're crazy. The bananas over here? Totally are. 7. Oh, I'm stuck in this hut again. 8. Okay, now where is the rubbings thing? Take a rubbing. Actually, maybe we won't go in there yet. Ancient tomb, flooded tunnels. Maybe we'll go down and turn these in first. Yes. Totally. Ooh, those things are scary. Scar meat. Ooh. I have a shark. Gritty Jessie. Not great, not so great white shark. Okay. Train. Back. Monquista. What does this need? A rally towel card. Do I get that here? No, it's Island Skull. No. You get the rally towel. I don't know how things work. Squirt bottle. No. There it is. Train that one. Train. That one needs a rally towel too. So what, it was a crab walk? There you go. You two both do the crab walk.
Such swift delivery. My competitors aren't going to be happy I'm back in business. They can't ever match my prices.
Okay.
Ah, the bananas! Now I can set up my banana stand. Thanks to the dopey military, I'll always have money in the banana stand.
This colony must be cursed. The Troggies and Watermole revolt are bad enough, but now our food supplies are running out.
The food you brought is good, but it will not last long.
You must go out into the Skyway and find the missing supply ship from Puerto Mico. While you're at it, I wonder if you might carve me a few Batacuda steaks?
Beast, hurry. The banana stand won't keep everyone satisfied for long.
Okay. So now we're going to find the rubbing of the statue in the flooded tunnels. Wait, which is closer? That one or... Hold on. 501, 401. Oh, the prisoners are in the flooded tunnels too. So we might as well go to the flooded tunnels. Totally. To the flooded tunnels! Come, Ziggy. We must go. Where'd the flooded tunnels be? I don't want to go this way. We'll be fine as long as we stay behind these guys. Here we go. If I were a flooded tunnel, where would I be? Like a mouse. We gotta get around these guys. Do, 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 do. This is new. Oh, we're up high! Oh, cool. Look at this waterfall! It's so cool! Okay, down we go. We're going in there. The flooded tunnels. Alberto Estevez.
You there, bald giant. Did Salazar send you? Please, we need your help. The survey crew was exploring a new chamber in the tunnels when the Watermole workers went berserk. We haven't heard from the surveyors since. For charity's sake, please bring our crew back before something terrible happens to them.
And we're doing everything down here. Okay, so we need to find the rubbings. Let's see. The rubbings are that way. Survey crew is closer. Yeah, let's do survey crew. Ooh, look at them spiders! No, no. No, 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 no. Oh, it's those big guys. Oh, these spiders are gross. Oh, we gotta go that way. Do we gotta go that way? Doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop. Oh, get me away from the spiders. Oh, God. Okay, we're almost to the survey crew. Look at all these Zambles.
Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. I don't want to go out there. It's so bad. It's so bad.
We're almost there. Almost there. They gotta be here. Roberto!
At last! Help from the... Ah! Saint Bonobo! How is the weather up there? The water moles have stolen our surveying instruments. We will never be able to replace them in this miserable backwater. Of course, a noble and, may I say, gargantuan warrior such as yourself surely would have little trouble regaining them. Please retrieve them so that we may leave this place.
Okay, so we gotta fight water moles for those. Okay, so where are Haku? Haku's 611 that way. The rubbings are 391. Let's do that. Wait. That was wrong. The rubbings are that 388 that way. What about the rescue? Ooh, they're even closer. Let's rescue those prisoners. That should be it for today. These are the water moles we'll have to fight later. But we might get to fight water moles. Sir Callie has completed the crab walk. Look at you two. Rings. You need hand wraps. What do you get from hand wraps? How do you get hand wraps? It's a headband. No. Arm guards. Racket. Silver badges. Where do you get hand wraps? Squirt bottle. Rings. Jump rope. I don't know where you get hand wraps from. Oh well, I'm not going to do this now. We've got hostages to rescue. Right around here somewhere. And I know we still need to train our shark too. I'm gonna cross behind you. Where are they?
This is the place, all right. But it's sealed tight. We needed that key.
Right. Magatu's got it. I think I know the way.
Oh, mice. Where's Mugatu? How does she know the way? We've only been here just now. Has Anne been here before? She must have been. Look at all these guys. They're scary. Ah. There's so many of them. Where is Mugatu? Where is Mugatu? Where is Mugatu today? Oh, he's right there. Herpter! Right here. Enter! I'm gonna fight Mugatu. I'm gonna fight Mugatu. I'm gonna get killed by Mugatu. Cause I have... I don't know, I'm scared. Hi, Mugatu!
Where is your monkey lord now? Soon, Haku and Mogatu will rule a whole island.
Okay. Do I have to kill Mugatu? Is that my goal?
All right. Trusty guards always on time. Now protect Mogatu.
Break the formation and defeat Mugatu. Okay, we're gonna...
On it.
No, wait. Do that. So if we break one guy, does that break the formation? Doop, doop, doop. Doop, 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 doop. Broke the formation. We broke formation. Okay, let's get Mugatu. Rude. 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 Jeez, there's so many of them! I'm gonna die. This is where I die. Okay, everybody kill Mugatu.
I'm on it.
You need to heal yourself.
Easy peasy.
Rude. 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 Very rude. No, no. Oh, that sucked. That really sucked. Heal yourself, girl. Isn't much, but it's something. Flanking! Okay. This is gonna suck. This is gonna really suck. Oh god, there's so many of them. There's so many of them! No, don't kill us! No, don't kill us! We might survive this. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh my god. Okay. Can we kill him?
Will do. You've got it. What?
Everything you girls got! Yes! Oh, thank goodness. So many amazing things. We missed a treasure chest. There's it. There it is.
Here's the key. Now let's get to it.
Yes. But I think that's where we're going to leave it for today. So like if you guys have liked this video, leave me some comments down below. And I will see you guys all next time in Pirate 101. Bye-bye.